on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are here at the drag strip, and I'm gonna show y'all my car. Check this out right here. See this big son of a bitch right here? It gets all the air. See them leaves? That's 50 extra horsepower. I put leaves in there because I leave them.
He's coming.
Uh-oh, he's coming. So let's do a little bit more of a tour here. Gorgeous guard green. I got real slicks on, but don't tell nobody because that's illegal. And look, see them pipes? I leave them straight pipes on there because I give the pipe. And see that tow hook? That's for dragging ass.
Now guys, we are here at the Day Driver Cruise for the Street Car Classic 2.0, and they talked me into running. This is a no prep event. We're gonna see what the car would do. If you caught the last video, we went 6-7 in the 8th mile, but that was on prep. Not sure how the car's going to do on no prep, but these events are popping up more and more. I'm out here. I want to support my friends out here, so I said, you know what, let's do it. Let's see what it'll do. And you know, I'm pretty sure I'm outgunned, but we're going to try it anyway. So let's go. All right, guys, here we go. I picked a pretty fast car. Those that know that car, but we're going to give her hell anyway. Good luck, man. I knew I was done. I knew I was outgunned that race. We know we're gonna have to do suspension, guys. I just wanted to enter this. They didn't have a lot of cars entering, and I wanted to show my support, guys. So that was the main reason. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was a second off my pace. So 8th mile was a 7:88. So yeah, second off the pace. We knew it, guys, but you know what? Like I said, we wanted to show our support, and that is a badass car right there.
That's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.